The main foundation this lab is set on is smart materials. So smart materials are materials that react to electrical stimulus or mechanical pressure. So basically, through implanting our materials in these platforms, we're able to train a surgeon how far their needle is in basically the patient, or how the body is responding in a certain procedure. And that's kind of what the project centered around, not only conserving the environment with the sea lions, but also providing a platform or a pipeline for both veterinary and medical practitioners to both train in their medical procedures, as well as kind of communicate and pass on information of how those procedures are done.
You can imagine something, but however, at the same time, it would be nice if you can have actually similar structure and you can poke it and where to put it, those needles and those kind of things. So it has a very unique application. The case study was in a sea lion, but it could be something else. You know, there's many applications that will benefit the society at the end of the day.
The sky is the limit with this project, in my opinion. We're able to basically 3D print any vein or arterial structure, whether it's in any layer of the human body. Through the use of micro CT scans, micro level MRIs, we're able to get more and more detailed as we continue to improve. And of course, the more immediate impact of our research is improving these veterinary procedures, benefiting the sea lions, and hopefully benefiting humans one day too.